amazing. This is exciting. We got to the parking lot at 7:02, went to the restrooms. How clear the water is. Oh, yeah.
See that thing swimming?
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
He's carrying something. Wow. In his mouth. Yeah, he caught one of those little... Beautiful. Imagine you'd stop.
Hey, welcome to FCC.
Wow.
If you don't want to climb down, you can just jump off.
Yeah. Not good advice. Wow.
Oh, sorry, guys. Inside.
Yeah, go ahead.
Stuck up.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you too. Hats on, because it is bright.
Go down and knock them down.
I'm not even gonna try and catch you, I guess. Wow, this is jaggedy. This is really cool. Wow. Isn't that pretty? All the way down. Yes. Okay, this is more inspiring. Am I right? 7,200 feet. Hey, you guys stand here with Daddy. Oh, this one. The boats. beautiful. Water? Yeah. What's that say? Oh, look at this little... Make sure you're on the right track. That's just gorgeous. Isn't this beautiful? We're in Hibernation. We're getting to an opening in the cascade up here.
We're using the tree, balancing on a point in the center, and only a point on the left side.
How is it balancing?
And that little center point.
Wow.
Not get cracking, you know what I mean?
That's really cool.
But I feel like a bear.
Right? Yeah, I hear you. You might be disturbing a den. Thank you. All right. Oh, wow. What do you see?
Owlbear would live in there. Definitely. See that opening?
Oh, yeah. Little cave up there. I think now we're approaching the opening. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. Is this not beautiful? Good choice, Daddy. Miss Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Really, as far as we go, it looks like Daddy's wanting to see what's up here. You just keep going. This Cascade Canyon can go for 10, 11 miles total. Yeah, we're not going all that. I'm just saying.